Hello everybody, my name is David Arrieta. I am a student of University Secar. Okay, very well. Today we go to talk about a model bird wood. Okay, this is the conversation between the waiter and a customer. Well, this is the waiter and this is the customer. Well, may I take your order? Yes, I'd hamburger and large order on French fry, please. Alright, and would you like salad? Yes, I'll have a Mrs. Green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I'd like soda, please. Okay, teacher. This is my slide created by me. I am hungry in a restaurant. Well, okay, this is a waiter and this is a customer. Well, good afternoon, mister. Can I take your order? Yes, please. What is the specialty of the house? The specialty of house are Swiss pastas and a chop suey. What would you like to order? A chop suey, please. Mister, and what would you like to drink? I'd like to drink just water, please. Mister, your order will be in 15 minutes while you wait for it. You'd like to read these little comic books? It's okay, thank you so much. Okay, finish. Thank you so much.